Okay, good morning everyone. So at this time, we will tackle about direct and inverse variation. So we have here given the two tables. We are just going to identify at this time if the given quantities in this table is representing for the direct or inverse variation. But first, let us know about what is this direct and inverse variation by looking into their specific formula or equation. So let us start with the direct variation. Okay? For the direct variation, we could say that y varies directly as x in y, or having the equation y is equal to k times x. So we have here y is equal to k times x, meaning it refers to the direct variation. So y is equal to k times x. Then for the inverse, the inverse variation, we could say that y varies inversely as x. Therefore, given y is equal to k over x. Okay? So that is how to identify its specific equation for the direct and inverse variation. So this one is for the inverse variation. Then, for us to solve or identify if the given two tables is referring to direct or inverse variation is, we will have to solve for the constant k. Constant. So from this one, solving for k, we know that k is equal to what? y over x dv, meaning direct variation. Okay, direct variation. And for this one, solving for k, we know that k in here is equal to x times y. This one is referring to the inverse variation, or that one. Okay, the inverse variation. So we could actually identify, identify if this one is a direct or not. Okay, let us have for letter A. Okay, for letter A, using this table, we have to use first this formula for the direct variation. K is equal to y over x. K is equal to y over x using direct variation. So we know that x is equal to 1. 1 and, baliktad, no? We have y is equal to 2 and x is equal to 1 because y over x. So the answer is 2. Let us proceed now to the second. K is equal to y over x. That is equal to, we have the value of y is 1. Okay. And the value of x is 2. The answer is 1/2. And they are not equal. Okay. Remember, 2 is not equal to 1/2. So, ano siya? 2 is not equal to 1/2. So, for us to identify direct, dapat equal ang value sa k. But they are not equal. So, we will proceed to the next one. This formula. This formula. We have a is equal to, that one also is referring to the direct variation. Let us have this one. A is equal to xy. So, that is equivalent to, what will be the value of x is 1. Okay, and the value of y is, we have 2. Then we have to multiply 1 times 2 is 2. Then next, k is equal to xy. Second, 2 si x. Y is 1. We have here 2 times 1 is equal to 2. Equal sila to 1. Next, the third one. K is equal to, we have 3 si x. Then y is 2/3. 2 over 3. Makancel out si 3, ang nabigay is we have 2. Therefore, this table is referring to kaniman na formula ito gigamit because they are equal to 2 and they have 2. So this formula is referring to inverse. This one is inverse variation. Okay? So So this table is referring to inverse variation because as we calculate the value of A or the constant, we have 2 in here, 2 and 2, they are equal. Okay, let us proceed now to letter B. So I have to erase this one for letter B. Okay, for letter B, let us first use this one, y is equal to dx. No, ano? This one, k is equal to y over x, k is equal to y over x. So the value of y in here is 2 pi. 2 pi over 1 is equal to 2 pi. Next, the value of k, 4 pi because y, we have 4 pi over x. The value of x is 2. The answer is 4 pi divided by 2 is still 2 pi. Next value of k is we have 6 pi over 3. Still the answer is 2 pi. Therefore, this formula is coming from this one. K is equal to y over x. So as ang nilapit si y over x, that is referring to the direct variation. Direct variation because we have the value of k is equal to 2 pi, and 2 pi, and that is coming from this formula. No? We have k is equal to y over x. So I hope that this video will help you, particularly determining if the given quantities in the table is referring to direct or inverse variation.